Did you know that an organized craft room can increase your creativity and productivity by up to 50%? Let's explore how to achieve that. In today's video, we'll uncover the ultimate craft room organization and storage ideas for 2024, designed to transform your space into a creative haven. So, let's talk about the elephant in the room: clutter and chaos. Many crafters out there struggle with disorganization, and it can seriously derail your crafting sessions. Picture this: you're ready to dive into a project, but when you look around, all you see is a mess. It's frustrating, right? You can't find your favorite scissors, or you've totally lost track of those beautiful stickers you bought last month. This kind of disarray can sap your creative energy and make it hard to focus on what you love. Today, we're going to identify these common challenges so we can tackle them head-on. Now, let's dive into the good stuff. We're going to explore some fabulous organization techniques and storage solutions that will not only maximize your space but also keep everything within arm's reach. First up, let's talk about the power of clear storage bins. They allow you to see exactly what you have without digging through piles of materials. Plus, labeling everything is a game changer. You can also use drawer dividers to keep your smaller items neatly arranged. And don't forget about pegboards. They are fantastic for hanging tools and supplies, giving you easy access while keeping everything tidy. Not to mention, you can personalize them with colors and decorations that match your style. Now, for the highlight of our video. I'm super excited to reveal some innovative storage hacks that you can implement today. One of my favorites is using vertical space. Think about it: when you go upwards, you open up so much room. You can install shelves or use wall-mounted baskets to store your materials. Another great hack is repurposing everyday items. Those old mason jars? Perfect for holding buttons, beads, or even paintbrushes. And what about using a tension rod under your sink for storing rolls of ribbon? The possibilities are endless, and with just a bit of creativity, you can transform your craft room into a functional masterpiece. To wrap up, let's recap the key organization tips we've discussed today. Clear bins, labeling, drawer dividers, pegboards, and making the most of vertical space are all fantastic ways to streamline your crafting process. Remember, an organized space not only makes it easier to find what you need but also revitalizes your creativity. So take a little time to implement these ideas, and watch how your crafting experience transforms. If you found these ideas helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and check out my other videos for more crafting inspiration. Happy crafting, and I'll see you next time.